Hello, blend enthusiasts. Let's talk today about uh, how to uh, add detail to your models, especially if this detail uh, kind of looks like brush strokes. So I have a unicorn model that I built, and it's missing the face, and I'll show you how I created that face in a second. But first, let me show you what this unicorn um, looks like at this stage of completion. And FYI, I will be turning this project into a whole bunch of cool how to create unicorn tutorials. All right, so let's go back and let's get to facial detail building. First of all, the file to follow along with this project will be on my Gumroad for free. So check video description for link details. Also, thank you to new subscribers. This is really appreciated. So your likes are also appreciated, as always. All right, let's get right to it. So, well, first of all, shift right click will move 3D cursor. So you want to move 3D cursor to where your facial detail roughly is. So Alt Z, I will start perhaps working on this eye. So I am going to now press Shift A and go to Mesh, Single Vert, add a Single Vert. For this to work, make sure that you, in your preferences and your add-ons, turned on add mesh extra objects. If not, think about a way how you can make a single vertex. So maybe merging everything into one vertex. We'll also do the same thing. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll press right control button and click right mouse button. So control, right mouse button, and that extrudes vertex to cursor. Also, they call it add a vertex. All right, so this is good. So now I need to create eyelashes. So what I'll do, I select the vertex, I press Shift D, I duplicate it, put it right there, and now go back to my control right mouse click. And now I can select both of those, Shift D. And so there's going to be G for grabbing, and so on and so forth. So now you will tell me this looks nothing like an eye on my sketch. And that is because we're missing some modifiers. So let's go ahead and add those. So we need a skin modifier. So now skin modifier comes in a little big, so don't be discouraged by this. So what we'll do, A to select all the vertices in the edit mode, and now Control A to change the skin size. So, and now I'm going to turn on my unicorn so we can see a little bit better. We start getting some geometry. So there's some problems there with the eyelashes. So they disappeared for some reason. So the reason why is because we need to specify a root vertex for the eyelashes. So let's mark this as a root. Let's mark this as a root. And now you can see that our eyelashes are becoming, they start following this line. So we're still missing another modifier, which is a subdivision surface. So one will be fine. All right. So, and the last piece of this recipe, the last ingredient is an ability to reshape skin. So you can click on the vertex, you can press Control A, and now you can adjust the influences of how much the vertices affecting the geometry that's been generated. Yeah, so that's the method. And you know, when it's all was said and done, what I ended up with was something looking like this, right? And then I will show you in the next tutorial how I projected this face, which is 2D, onto this unicorn and made it 3D. Alrighty, so, but for now, this is the today's tutorial. Like, subscribe. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you very much.